So this question is very important. This topic is very important, and we have a question in hand from geometry. So the question given is, the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. There is one chord C1, this is for 6 centimeters, and second chord C2 is equal to 8 centimeters. So we have been given 3 statements, and now we have been asked that to calculate the distance between C1 and C2. Okay, so this is a diagram that we have. We have a circle, this is center O, this is the radius that we're talking about, center to the periphery of the circle. This is the radius, 5 centimeters. This is C1. C1 is given as 6 centimeters to us, and C2 that is given as 8 centimeters to us. Okay, so now we'll try to solve how we need to calculate the distance between C1 and C2. How we'll be solving is, this is a property is to be used as that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. This is the property. Okay, so we draw a perpendicular starting from the center O to both the chords. C2, this is 90 degree, and C1, this is also 90 degree. So if we draw a perpendicular from the center to both the chords, so this will bisect the chord. That means bisect means if this is 8 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter, and this will be 4 centimeter again. Okay, and if this total is 6 centimeter, so this will be 3 centimeter, and this will be 3 centimeter again. All right, so this is the meaning of bisect. Bisect means half, that it divides the full chord into 2 halves. All right, okay, so we have this as radius 5 centimeter, this much is 4 centimeter, and we need to calculate the distance between C2 and C1, the 2 chords. Okay, so if we talk about this triangle, this is 5, this is 4, and this is right angle triangle. So we apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras states that P square is equal to P square plus B square is equal to H square. Okay, or we can call it P square is equal to H square minus B square. Now H is given as, this is H is 5 and B is 4. So putting here the values, 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is 16, we get 9. So if P square is equal to 9, so P has to be equal to 3 centimeters, students. Okay, so we got one answer. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter from here to here. All right, so this is 3 centimeter, but we don't want this distance. We want this C2 and C1, the gap between these 2 chords. All right, so to calculate this distance, we need to have another triangle. So we draw another triangle. We draw it right here. All right, so this is a triangle that we are talking about right now. This from the point O, this black line is again the radius. So this is 5 centimeter, students. All right, this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Now we need to calculate another right angle triangle we have. This is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and we need to calculate this. We again use this formula. All right, so we have P square is equal to 5 square, that is 25, minus 3 square, that is 9. We get the answer as 16. So if P square is 16, so P comes out to be 4. So this complete from here to here is 4. All right, so if this is 4, this is 3, so the leftover portion, this one will be how much? This is 4, this is 3, so this is 1. So the distance between C1 and C2 will be equal to 1 centimeter. From this diagram we see about. Oh, all right. So generally the answers, the options are 1 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 1 centimeter or 7 centimeter. Generally the students take the answer as 1 centimeter. But students, here you need to be very careful that we are assuming that both the chords are on the same side. But here we are not given anything. Definitely this is given that C1 chord is parallel to C2 chord. Okay. So there are two parallel chords, C1 and C2. So we are assuming that these two chords are on the same side of the center. But there's nothing mentioned about it. So we need to take the other case also, in which the chords are on the opposite side. Okay, we draw this diagram. This is 6, this is 8, and this is the center right now. Alright, if this is the case, the answer will be equal to 1 centimeter. If this is the case, definitely we have this as 4, this as 3, this is equal to 4. So the total distance right now will be equal to 7 centimeters. So here we get C1, C2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So if they are on the same side, the answer is 1 centimeter, and if they are on the opposite side, the answer is 7 centimeter. Both the options are right. So the final answer in this case will be equal to 1 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Students, fourth option is the right answer, not the first one. All right. So this is the correct option. Okay. Thank you.